Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup for school. So first I'm going to put my foundation, and I think I'm just running out. I usually do 3 pumps of this, but I forgot I didn't have time to buy another one last weekend because I was with my family, so I'm just going to scoop it out. And I'm about to go to school, so I'm trying to do this really fast. It's a Saturday and yes, I have school. It sucks. Oops. And by the way, the foundation I'm using is only from the Philippines because I didn't go to college here for 4 years. It's called Bilena ProFlawless Finish Foundation. It's just perfect because today's the last week, the day of the week where I have to wear foundation. So I'm gonna buy one tomorrow. Or else I wouldn't have one for tomorrow if I had school. And by the way guys, sorry if it's not really a good video, it's my first one. And I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna film this. I'm just sitting on my floor right now. Okay, now I'm gonna powder my foundation, and I'm using Bilena again, Advanced Two-Way Cake. It's this one right here. I'm also running out of this one, but I already bought one like last month for a stock because I thought I was gonna finish earlier. So yeah. My hair is still kind of wet because I just got out of the shower. And my class is about to start at 7:30. It's usually at 7, but since it's a Saturday, I guess they moved it to 7:30. And if you guys are wondering, I'm a pharmacy student. I'm in my 3rd year, and hopefully I graduate by next year. It looks like I'm putting a lot of powder on because I'm really just trying to get some product out. It's almost running out. So it's not really that much that I'm putting on. Okay, I think that's okay now. Now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows next, I guess. I'm just using this MAC light brown eye pencil. I'm not really good in makeup, so I'm not trying to claim that I'm a pro or anything like that. I'm just enjoying with makeup and applying it. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, I think this is okay. Maybe a little bit too dark, so I'm just gonna apply cotton over it later. I'm just checking the time right now to see if I'm late. It's 7:10. 7:30 is my class. But it's okay, just leave it in front of the mascara anyways. So since I don't have time, I'm just gonna go straight with mascara and lipstick. Usually I would put eyeliner, but I really don't have time right now. I'm using MAC number 19, this color. So wiping off the foundation. So happy it's a Saturday. I get to have one day off tomorrow. I usually don't even have Saturday classes, but this year I do. At least it's only half a day. I only have it until 12:50. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna put mascara. I'm not gonna curl it or anything because it usually just uncurls itself after I put mascara. This is like the most time-consuming step of my makeup routine, is doing my eyelashes. I try to do simple makeup for school, because in the Philippines they don't really like to do heavy makeup. Just very simple. Okay. I think that's okay. I'm really running out of time, so I'm trying to rush. And by the way guys, let me know what kind of videos you want me to start doing. Okay, now into the bottom lashes. Kind of sounds sick, I don't know why, because I guess it's the early morning, I just woke up. Okay, it's done. That's the last step for my makeup for school. It's very simple, as you can see. And thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestions. I'm very open to them right now. It's my first video, so please bear with me. And yeah, thank you so much.